Hello there. It's been a quiet start to Christmas Eve. For those of you up and off first thing this morning, you were probably greeted to scenes like this. A lot of low grey cloud, thick enough for some drizzle, some misty conditions out there. This is going to be the story for the next couple of days. But one thing that's certainly changed is the feel of the weather. Monday was a chilly day, but temperatures already a good 5-6 degrees up on yesterday's, and they will continue to climb for the next hour or so. So it is an incredibly mild story. And that's because we've got high pressure building and the wind direction has changed and it's squeezed that cold air over to the near continent. So for the remainder of the day, we've got a weak weather front producing some showery outbreaks of rain to the northwest of the Great Glen. The cloud out to the west thick enough for some drizzle at times, but hopefully there'll be pockets of brightness, some glimpses of sunshine, and temperatures are certainly mild for this late stage in December, ranging from 12 to 14 degrees. The winds will be the strongest in the far north and west, 40 to 50 mile an hour gusts of winds. Well, they'll continue to feed in some outbreaks of rain as we go through the night. A blanket of cloud will prevent those temperatures from falling too far. So those early risers on Christmas morning, it will be an incredibly mild start. So Christmas Day, this is what's in store. A lot of cloud around, but a quiet theme set to continue. There will be some heavier bursts of rain into the Western Isles and the Northern Isles, and maybe just to the northwest of the Great Glen. Here it will stay windy. The cloud elsewhere will break up and lift, and we should see some glimpses of brightness from time to time. It will stay mild, not perhaps quite as warm as today, but 11 to 13 degrees as an afternoon high. It's almost a case to spot the difference as we go into Boxing Day. That weak weather front sinks its way down into northern England, but weakens all the time. Again, quite a cloudy day. Some brief glimpses of blue sky and highs around 11 to 13 degrees. It's likely that we could start to see the first signs of a change, though, as we move out of Friday into the start of the weekend. This weather front will sink south. The wind direction changes once again to a northwesterly, and that will slowly start to introduce colder air, certainly across Scotland. And it means that as we head into the new year, there's a potential for some of the showers to turn wintry.